Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss problem from the code forces round 665 division 2. So this is the problem A, distance and axis. So here we are given two integers as an input, that is a point A and the absolute difference K. What we have to do is we have to find out the B. Also we have to return the output, that by how many number of times we have to increment or decrement the value of A by 1 to get the absolute difference between B to coordinate 0 and from A to B, which is equal to K. So what we have to do over here is we have to find out the absolute difference between the distance O to B. So basically here O is always at the 0th location. If you take a look at this diagram, so this O is always at the 0th place. So we have to find the distance between 0 to B and the distance from A to B, which has to be equal to the K value. So let's take an example, it will give us the more clarity. For example, if the A is 4 and K is 0, and if we take a look at this diagram, if we place the value for B at the 2th position, so this initially B minus O, that is a 2 minus 0 is 2, and again A minus B, which is a 4 minus 2, 2, and so 2 minus 2, it is a 0, because this difference A minus B is 2, and again B minus O is again 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0, which is equal to the K. So here we don't need to perform any adjustment like addition or decrement or increment operation on the A's value. So here that's why the output is 0. If we take example 2 over here, that is a 5, A is a 5 and K is 8. So here we can say that the difference is on the larger side. So first we have to increment the value by the difference of A and K. That is the only way after that we can derive the value for the B. So here the difference is 3. So we have to increment the A value by 3, so A becomes 8, and after that we can place the B point at the 0 coordinate or the 8 coordinate. So if we place the value for the B at 0th position, so what will happen is B minus O, that is 0 minus 0 is 0, minus A minus B, that is a 8 minus 0, 8, equal to 8, because this is the absolute difference. So 8 is equal to 8, which satisfies the condition. So let's take into the formula, so it will give us the more clarity. So here I have created a file distance and axis, and here I have mentioned the main function which accepts the two parameter n and k. So I am annotating n as a and k as a d, that is a distance or the difference we can say, and we have to find out the B value over here. So as per the given statement, this is the formula that for the absolute difference, that is a B minus A minus B has to be equal to D. So if you deduce this formula, so it will form a simplified equation, that is a 2B minus A over here, and after that if we see, one side is the absolute difference and another side, that is a D, is a non-negative value. So if we have to discard this absolute sign over here, so this D can be turned into positive or negative value. So here we don't want to consider the negative value, so we will play with the positive value only, and that's why I have considered it as a D plus A. I have shifted the A value to the right side, so it becomes D plus A is equal to 2B, and again I am taking that 2 into the division side. So final formula over here is B is equal to D plus A by 2. So this gives us the position for the B, but the actual output needs the number of attempts of plus or minus 1 on A, which is the final result set. So once we define the value for the B, then we can get the difference over here. So for example, let's take some of the test cases which give us the result set when we put these value inside this solve function. Okay, so here if we consider this third case, that is a is 0 and D is let's say it is a like any value, it is 10,000 or 1 lakh or 10 lakhs. So here in this case what happens is, if my A lies on the 0th coordinate, then irrespective of the B value, that difference itself is the B value only. So whenever my A is 0, whatever is the difference, that has to be my B value. So that's why I have simply printing the D over here. For example, if A is 0 and D is 1, so in that case, if we put these values inside our equation, so 1 plus 0 is 1. If we divide it by 2, it gives us the modulo of it is always give us the value of the 1, because 1 mod 2 is 1. So if we consider it in that way, or if we place the directly point at the difference location, again it will give us the same. So that's why whenever A is equal to 0, I am just printing the value of D. Now again, if the value of A and D are same, then we can say the difference is 0, and in that case there is no need to perform any operation on A value. So that's why when A minus D is 0, then the output has to be 0. Okay, now coming to the second test case, whenever, as I mentioned earlier, whenever we find the value of A is lesser than the difference, we have to add the difference in the A. That is the only way to achieve the final calculation. So that's why we have to display the D minus A over here. Okay, whenever the A is lesser than D. And finally, when A is greater than D, so for example, if we reverse this case, if A is 8 and D is 5, so if we put these values inside our formula, so it becomes 13 by 2. So B's value can be 6 over here, and if we take the modulo 2 for the 13, it gives us the value of 1. So the value of A can become 9 or 7, which gives us the difference between those two values equal to the actual D value. That is our answer. So if you submit this solution on the Codeforces, so this solution will be accepted. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.